Hi everyone, Chemtrail planes. I was back from work on my lunch break before tonight, the big night, right? I want to see if I can get to the moon. If it's cold, I'll get the P900 at least. I can't wait to get the 14 out. I got a nice view of this plane. It's a chemtrail plane, and I can't help but wonder what type of planes these are and maybe what companies they're leaving from. I mean, what are they doing? We don't know if they're good. We don't know if they're bad. We just don't know about them. And I don't think it's right having seeing it's going over our heads that we don't know what they are. What if this plane crashes? What if the eventuality that this plane at one point has an accident and that what's inside is very toxic and that nobody knows anything, but here where the plane lands, it's affecting the entire area. I could just see all these people come in, remove, evacuate the houses, and not tell us what's going on. I mean, come on. Do we need that after we're in 2000 now, 2018? I think we're not in the 1500s anymore. I think we've advanced enough to have the right to own up to this planet and put our foot down and say we want to know what the hell's going over our heads. That's all we're doing. We're not harming anyone. I think more or less these planes are doing something to us. Whether it be harming or helping us, they're doing something to us. They're flying over our heads. Why are we seeing these planes fly over our heads? Where are they coming from? What are they doing? Who do they work for? Who hired them? These planes don't only spray over the sun and the moon. Just letting you guys know that because this particular plane was way off, just going from west to east, probably Toronto, Canada, heading towards maybe Sept-Îles, Quebec, Montreal, past Montreal, Quebec, but towards Montreal east. So, and look how white the plane is. I've noticed they're not all the same. And particular sizes are bigger. This plane is pretty big. I am going to have to ask John Lee, or at least if he knows what type of plane this is. Obviously, he's going to think I'm a dumbass because, I mean, it looks like a common plane, right? It just looks like a regular plane. But when you look at it closely, you see it has traits, little objects, little things that you can see that are not on regular passenger planes. So this was an X-ray. Why? Because it often changes the frame of the airplane so that we can see maybe more details. See the wing, how they are at the back, very low at the back there, and it has something sticking out the back. See, it's unusual. It's not like regular typical planes, but hey, I got some nice shots. This is what I wanted to do to try to be able to find out, you know, where these planes are coming from. Do you know that you can ask Siri, if you have Siri on your computer, which plane at any given moment is flying over your house? You say, Siri, what plane is flying overhead of me right now? She will give you a list of planes, their leaving times, areas, their docking times, amount of passengers, speed they're going, and the height they are in the sky and their trajectory. So, will Siri divulge what chemtrail planes are? I don't know, but it's very interesting. Give it a try. All the thanks go to these people and all of you, 10,037 people here. I love you guys. I can't thank you guys enough for contributing your time to look into my research and my work. Guys, it's amazing what's up there on the moon. And I want to share this. I would go crazy not being able to share this. WSO YouTube channel. Check them out, guys. These chemtrail planes can roam in a white sky by the thousands without ever being seen.